to the Yogurt Factory. Written by Precious Mackenzie. Illustrated by Marie Allen. Rorick Educational Media. Copyright 2013.
"Are we there yet?" asks Amina.
"Yes, we made it to the Yak Milk Yogurt Factory," says Counselor Carlos.
"Yay! I want to see the yaks,"
shouts Gavin.
"Look, they are milking the yaks,"
yells Yukio. They stare as yak milk squirts into the pails.
"Oh, yuck! Yellow yak milk,"
groans Kimmy. Still more yak milk squirts into the pails.
"Oh, yuck, yuck, yuck! That young yak licked me,"
yells Kimmy. They watch as workers carry the pails of yak milk across the yard to the yogurt factory.
"This could take a whole year. Are they done yet?"
yells Kimmy. "Let's go into the yogurt factory," says Counselor Carlos. "Yes, let's go."
"I would like to eat yummy yak yogurt,"
says Yukio.
"You can eat it. I will not,"
states Kimmy. They watch as the yellow yak milk cooks. Counselor Carlos says, "You see, it is time to kill the bad germs." "The workers mix it," says Counselor Rain. "Then, more cooking and cooling," Counselor Carlos tells them.
"Is the yucky yak yogurt ready yet?"
yawns Kimmy. "It is," says Counselor Carlos. Yukio tries the yak yogurt. Kimmy's stomach yowls and growls. She is very, very hungry. Kimmy tastes the yak yogurt.
"Yum!"
You read
Honeybee Hills. Written by J. Jean Robertson. Illustrated by Louise Anglicus. Rorick Educational Media. Copyright 2013.
"Hurry!"
shouts Henry.
"We get to meet a beekeeper."
"Hop on the helicopter," says Counselor Jenny. "Hello! Welcome to Honeybee Hills Farm," says Beekeeper Benny.
"We came to see a bee house,"
says Ollie. "We call the bee house a hive," says Beekeeper Benny.
"Does a hive hold a whole herd of bees?"
asks Hannah. "A big family of bees is a colony. Each hive holds one queen, some drones, and hundreds of workers," answers Beekeeper Benny. Beekeeper Benny says, "I am wearing a special suit, gloves, and hat. They protect me from bee stings."
"Can you still get stung?"
asks Hannah. "Oh, yes," says Beekeeper Benny.
"Does it hurt?"
asks Viv. "Yes, it hurts, but I handle the hives carefully," answers Beekeeper Benny.
"I hear a humming sound,"
says Henry.
"That's the bees buzzing,"
answers Counselor Quinn.
"Maybe they are making honey,"
says Viv. "Who wants freshly harvested honey?" asks Beekeeper Benny.
"We do! Please!" shout the children.
Wendy is reading Mother Goose rhymes. Counselor Omar asks a question. Shall we go to London to see the Queen?
Yes, yes,
The campers answer, jumping up and down. Please quiet down, campers, says Counselor Omar. Get buckled in to take off for London. We hope to arrive at 10:15.
Wow, that was a quick trip,
says George. Counselor Omar calls. Please, line up quickly outside the bus. We want to take the underground tube to Piccadilly Circus.
A circus? I like the clowns best,
says Alex. Sorry, Alex, says Counselor Omar. Piccadilly Circus is a big public square. We will eat lunch there. Maybe you can eat pizza, maybe quiche, maybe burgers. Alex asks,
Do you think we will ride on a double-decker bus? Maybe,
answers George.
They are really quite tall. Counselor Omar, I'm so thirsty. Can we get a drink?
Asks Nadia. Of course. Water is the best thing to quench your thirst, says Counselor Omar.
We are on a quest to see the Queen,
says Wendy. Then come aboard for Buckingham Palace and the parade, calls the bus driver. You can watch the Queen's carriage pass.
There she is! I see Queen Elizabeth,
says Wendy.
The Queen is quite lovely,
sighs George.
And there is not a mouse under her chair,
laughs Alex.